Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best tips and tricks to keep you healthy and motivated. Today, we're diving into the top 5 fruits you should be eating for optimal health, especially if you're over 40. These fruits are not just delicious, but they pack a punch when it comes to nutrition. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So, let's get started. First up, we have berries. Berries, including blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries, are nutritional powerhouses, especially beneficial for individuals over 40. They are rich in antioxidants, such as anthocyanins, which help combat inflammation and oxidative stress, key factors in aging and chronic diseases. Berries also provide a high amount of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain stable blood sugar levels. Additionally, they are excellent sources of vitamins C and K, essential for immune function and bone health, respectively. Regular consumption of berries has been linked to improved cognitive function and a reduced risk of cardiovascular diseases, making them a valuable addition to a balanced diet. Next on our list is the humble apple. Apples are a highly nutritious fruit, especially beneficial for those over 40. They are rich in dietary fiber, particularly pectin, which aids in digestion, promotes a healthy gut microbiome, and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Apples contain quercetin, a powerful antioxidant that has been shown to enhance brain function and reduce the risk of stroke. They also provide a good source of vitamin C, supporting immune health, and various phytochemicals that have anti-inflammatory and heart-protective properties. Consuming apples regularly can contribute to weight management, improved heart health, and overall wellness, making them a valuable addition to a daily diet. Thirdly, citrus fruits are on the list. Citrus fruits, including oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruits, are packed with nutrients that are especially beneficial for individuals over 40. These fruits are renowned for their high vitamin C content, which is crucial for immune system support, collagen production, and skin health. Citrus fruits also contain flavonoids, antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and lower the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Additionally, they provide dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain healthy blood sugar levels. The natural sugars in citrus fruits offer a quick energy boost, while their potassium content supports heart health and blood pressure regulation. Incorporating citrus fruits into your diet can enhance overall wellness, boost immunity, and promote vibrant skin. Bananas are next on our list. Bananas are a highly nutritious and convenient fruit, particularly beneficial for people over 40. They are an excellent source of potassium, an essential mineral that helps maintain healthy blood pressure and supports heart function. Bananas also provide a good amount of dietary fiber, which aids digestion, promotes regular bowel movements, and helps manage blood sugar levels. They are rich in vitamin B6, which is important for brain health, and the production of neurotransmitters that regulate mood. The natural sugars in bananas, including fructose and glucose, provide a quick energy boost, making them an ideal snack before or after exercise. Additionally, bananas contain antioxidants such as dopamine and catechins, which have been linked to reduced risk of heart disease and degenerative conditions. Including bananas in your diet can enhance overall health, support cardiovascular wellness, and provide sustained energy. Last but certainly not least, we have kiwi. Kiwi, also known as kiwi fruit, is a small but nutrient-dense fruit that offers numerous health benefits, especially for individuals over 40. One of its standout features is its exceptionally high vitamin C content, almost double that of an orange, which is crucial for immune function, skin health, and collagen production. Kiwi is also rich in vitamin K, which plays a vital role in blood clotting and bone health. Additionally, it contains a significant amount of vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage. The fruit is a good source of dietary fiber, which aids digestion, promotes regular bowel movements, and can help lower cholesterol levels. Beyond its vitamins and minerals, kiwi contains a unique combination of antioxidants, such as lutein and zeaxanthin, which are beneficial for eye health and may help prevent age-related macular degeneration. The fruit also has a low glycemic index, making it a suitable option for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Regular consumption of kiwi has been associated with improved digestion due to the presence of actinidin, an enzyme that helps break down protein. Moreover, studies suggest that eating kiwi can enhance sleep quality, thanks to its high levels of serotonin, a hormone that regulates sleep. Including kiwi in your diet can support overall health, improve digestive function, boost immunity, and contribute to better sleep and eye health. So there you have it, folks. The top 5 fruits for optimal health, especially if you're over 40. Remember, incorporating a variety of fruits into your diet is key to reaping all their amazing health benefits. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health and fitness tips. Stay motivated and stay healthy.